Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create or set up AWS RDS for MySQL 8.0.41 and connect from the MySQL Workbench or Dbeaver. Okay, see, I have first connected to AWS console, then select region where you want to create. Okay, based on the region, charges will be there. So I am in US North Virginia and region name is US East 1. Then click on services or click on in search box. Then search for RDS. Then click on Aurora RDS. RDS means Relational Database Services. Then see here in database instances, DB instances, that is database instances 0 means there are no instances running. Click on databases. See here we don't have any instances running. So click on create database. See here we have two methods, standard create or easy create. Then select the MySQL, then select the engine version. See, if you want to show only versions that support multi-AG cluster, DB cluster, you have to on this one. So I don't want either of them. So select drop down. See here we have the versions, engine versions 8.0.41. Select it, then templates, production, dev or free tier. Okay, see for production or dev we have this availability and durability options. See here if you select, but if you select free tier, see these two are grayed out. Okay, so based on your requirement, select production or development or free tier. But for this demo purpose, I am going with free tier. But the setup process is same for all these except few options like availability options. Okay, then provide the name for the DB instance identifier. Name can be anything. I am giving RDS MySQL, then giving version name. Okay, but you can follow your standard naming conventions. Then master username. See, this is the master username, admin. Okay, or you can give your own like RDS admin or anything, but it must satisfy this condition. Then provide the password of this master user. So also it must satisfy these two conditions. Okay, don't allow these special characters. Then instance configuration. See, for free tier we are unable to select the standard or memory optimized classes. Okay, we can only select burstable classes. In that burstable classes also we have only these two options like dbt4 micro and dbt3 micro. I am going with dbt4g micro. Then storage. See here we have different options. So select the options based on your requirement. Allocated storage, this is the minimum. Okay, you can provide up to here this much. Okay, I am going with minimal. If you want to enable auto scaling, I am giving 30 gigabytes. It is up to you. Connectivity. If you don't want to connect from the EC2 compute resource, you have to select. This is the default one. But if you want to connect, you have to select this one. Okay. Then network type IPv4, or if you want dual stack mode, you have to select this one like IPv4 or IPv6. VPC. See, I have one VPC, but if you want to create separate VPC for this one, you can select here. Okay, it is up to you. Then DB subnet group, I have one. Okay, public access, select yes. Then virtual private network, see here I have two, but if you want to create new subnet group for this MySQL RDS, select create new and provide the name. Okay, I am going with the default one. Okay, then select the availability zone. I am not going to select this RDS proxy. I am going with the default. Then additional configuration, default port for the MySQL is 3306. And database authentication methods, see here we have three options: password authentication, password IAM, database authentication, password and Kerberos authentication. I am going with this one. Monitoring, see, database monitoring advanced options is disabled for the free tier. Okay, we have only standard method. Okay, if you want to enable enhanced monitoring, select the checkbox. Then you have to select these options. And if you want to export logs, select these options. Okay, then additional configuration. If you want to create initial database, like you want to create database, and these are the DB parameter groups and optional parameters. backup. If you want to enable automated backups, you have to select this one. Okay, and the default retention period is 0, 1, and you can select up to 35 days. If you want to backup window, you can configure manually, or if you don't want, select no preference. Enable encryption. Last option, delete protection. If you want to configure delete protection, deletion protection, you have to select this checkbox. Okay, I don't want. See, now review these options one more time. If you are okay with all these settings, then click on create database. See, it is creating database. Close this one. See, the status is creating. Okay, engine is MySQL Community Edition. This is the region name, VPC name, etc. Okay, see, this will take time. Wait until the status to be changed from the configuring backup are available. Then we will connect to AWS RDS for MySQL from the MySQL Workbench or Dbeaver. See, successfully created database, but status is configuring. It's okay. Also, see here, view connection details. See here, we have the master username, master user password, and endpoint. Endpoint is used to connect to AWS RDS for MySQL. So, close it. Click on this DB identifier. Here also, see here, we have the endpoint and port. So, copy this one to connect to, come to this connect. Okay, copy this endpoint, then open MySQL Workbench. If you haven't installed, install it. Then click on this plus button, then provide the name. Then in host name, provide the endpoint name, 3306, username is admin. Then provide the password of this username. Go to here, click on connections, then click on this copy button, or even if you forgot it, I will show you how to reset the password for this master username. Click on password bar, paste it, click on OK. If you want to connect any default schema, then provide that, and click on test connection. See, connection failed. Okay, see, if you receive that error, so it is expected. Now go to RDS instance, then click on security group, then click on this security group ID, then click on edit inbound rules, then click on add rule, then select MySQL, then select IP, or you can select the IP ranges, then click on save rules. Now go to here, again click on test connection. This time we will not receive any error. Connected successfully, click on OK. See, now we have successfully connected. Okay, only the option, the time change for that error is just I have edited the inbound rules. Okay, so if you want to create table in this bank database, right click, refresh. See, you don't have any tables. Okay, create a table, create table. Select the query and click on this execute button. See, it is success. Okay, if you refresh this one, see, we have the table. Okay, I'm not going to insert data. You can insert data. Now connect from the Dbeaver. Dbeaver, open it. Now click on this plus button, then select the MariaDB, then click on next. Instead of server host, just paste that. Go to services, home page. Click on AWS RDS, instances, copy this endpoint, paste it, give the port number, provide database name, we have a bank, master username, then provide the master password, master user password, then click on test connection. See, we have successfully connected. Click on OK, finish, expand it. If you want to create database, right click, then select create schema, A to Z, then click on apply. Click on apply again. It is done. Click on finish, close this tab. See, new database is there, or schema. Okay, expand this, click refresh. Wait a moment. See, new database populated. If you want to run queries against this database, right click SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now we can perform the queries. Okay. The last option that I am going to show you is, if you want to change the password, click on modify. See, here we have to change the password. But if you forgot the username also, go to databases, select the database, then go to configuration. See here, this is the database, username. Okay, this is the way. Okay, the last option I am going to show you is actions. See here, if you want to reboot the AWS RDS for MySQL, select reboot. If you want to stop temporarily, click on stop. If you want to delete permanently, select delete. If you are not using, I strongly recommend to delete this one, because charges are based on the usage. Okay, I forgot to show you is to check the version. Okay, select version, select the query, click on this execute button. See, we have installed MySQL 8.0.41. Okay, also see here we have the version 8.0.41. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to create or set up AWS RDS for MySQL 8.0.41. Then we have connected it from Dbeaver or MySQL Workbench. Okay, for more MySQL or DevOps or AWS tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.